Hello viewers. So science students are totally feel relaxed today. They are very happy and might be with the paper also. So now ICSE class 10 biology answer key section A question 1 MCQ. So the first part is the number of live births per thousand people per year is called. It is called natality. Per thousand आ गया per year. So natality, birth rate. Next is the structure that lies at the junction of the choroid and the iris and it itself is a part of the choroid is called ciliary body. Option number A. In third part, assertion is seminal vesicles pour an alkaline secretion into the semen as it passes through the ureter. So this statement is false क्योंकि यूरेथ्रा होता है यूरेटर नहीं होता और एल्केलाइन जो है वो नेक्स्ट ग्लैंड से होता है. Next is reason female vagina is acidic and needs to be neutralized for the sperm survival. This is true. So assertion is false and reason is true. Option number B is correct in this case. In fourth part, the hormone that induces vigorous contractions of the uterus in a pregnant mother is C. Oxytocin. Fifth, a scientist wanted to conduct a genetic experiment on mice. He cut the tails of all the mice and made them reproduce. What will be the phenotype of the offspring? तो आपको पता है tail is not a genetic हो जाएगा तो इसमें option number C is correct. All the offsprings will have tails. In sixth part, assertion is a turgid plant cell is in a balanced state. This is true. But reason, in a turgid cell, Turgor pressure and wall pressure are equal. This is true. And in the same direction, this is false. Because you know Turgor pressure is acting in the inward direction and wall pressure acting in the outward direction. So same direction की वजह से ये statement false हो जाएगा. So option number A is correct. A is true, but R is false. In seventh part, the optimum temperature for photosynthesis is option number D, 25 to 35 degrees Celsius. In eighth part, Ajay and Vijay are siblings. Ajay can roll his tongue while Vijay cannot. What is the genotype of their parents? दोनों siblings नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. It means both the parents are heterozygous हैं. Homo नहीं है. Heterozygous dominant. So option number D is correct. In ninth part, assertion is deficiency of antidiuretic hormone causes an increase in urination, which is true. Next reason is antidiuretic hormone acts on the kidney to reabsorb water from the kidney tubules. This is option number C because both A and R are true. So option number C. In 10th part, a phase of cell division where the spindle fibers disappear is. This is A, telophase. Now, in 11th, assertion is arachnoid layer help in speeding up the transmission of nerve impulses along the axons. So, according to me, this statement is false. And reason is axon endings at the synapse secrete acetylene. It is acetylcholine, not acetylene. So, reason is false. So, both assertion and reason are false. This is option number D. Many nuclear plants are constructed near water sources. In 12th part, they use water for cooling their machinery and release it back into the water stream में वापस डाल देते हैं. Identify the kind of pollution caused. तो उसकी वजह से water का temperature rise हो जाता है. तो this is known as thermal pollution. Option number D क्योंकि गर्मी के लिए हम thermal pollution word use करते हैं. In 13th part, owls are nocturnal animals. They are active at night and hunt small animals for food. Owls have large eyes and can see well at night. This is due to क्यों देख सकते हैं वो रात को आराम से क्योंकि कलर के लिए तो कौन सोता लेकिन वो रात को देख रहे हैं तो rods and rhodopsin. This is option number C which is correct in this part. In 14th, Sunil tried to match the tropic movements in plants with the stimulus they respond to. The tabulation is P, thigmotropism, टच के लिए होता है, chemotrophism, chemicals के लिए होता है, जियो वाटर नहीं है, हाइड्रो होता, फोटो ग्रेविटी नहीं है वो सन होता. तो P एंड R बोथ आर ट्रू और बाई चांस है ये A और D दोनों ऑप्शंस में है तो जिस स्टूडेंट ने A लिखा है उसको भी मार्क्स मिलेंगे जिसने D लिखा है उसको भी मार्क्स मिलेंगे क्योंकि P और R दोनों ही करेक्ट हैं. दिस इज 14th पार्ट. Now in 15th part, identify the defect and cause the defect. सिंपल गोइटर नहीं है क्योंकि आंखें आपको प्रोट्रूडिंग आउट दिखाई हैं तो दिस इज एक्सोफिथेलेमिक गोइटर एंड दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ ओवर सेक्रेशन ऑफ थायरॉक्सिन. सो इट इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू मी अब मैं आपको सारे क्वेश्चंस एक बार फिर से बता रही हूँ. According to me, part number 1 is D, natality. Now, in second part, it is A, ciliary body. In third part, it is B, assertion is false and reason is true. In fourth part, it is C, oxytocin. In fifth part, it is again C, all the offsprings will have tails. In sixth part, assertion A is true and reason is false, means आपका आ जाएगा option number A is true and R is false, क्योंकि direction गलत दी हुई है. In seventh part, it is option number D, optimum temperature 25 to 35. In eighth part, it is D, both the parents are heterozygous dominant. In ninth part, it is again C, both and A and R are true. In 10th part, it is A, it is telophase. In 11th part, both A and R are false, it is option number D. In 12th part, it is D, which is thermal pollution. In 13th part, it is C, rods and rhodopsin. In 14th part, it is either A or D. Both are correct because P and R are written on both these choices. In 15th part, it is B, exophthalmic goiter, oversecretion of thyroxine. Question number 2. Name the following. The fully developed part of the ovary containing a mature ovum. The answer is Graafian follicle. D is a waxy layer on the upper epidermis of leaves meant to reduce transpiration. It is cuticle. Next is the ear ossicle, which opens into the oval window of cochlea. So last one ho gaya. You can write either stapes or you can also write stirrup. D is the physiological process which is the starting point of all food chains. किससे start होती हैं? This is photosynthesis. E is an insect which is a classic example of natural selection due to industrial melanism. It is peppered moth, M-O-T-H, moth. Now, second part, human heart pumps blood throughout the body. It is the size of a large fist. The heart is located between the lungs and the thoracic cavity. 4 chambers, functions all through the lifespan of a person, responsible for the survival of the person. The heart is enclosed by a membrane called pericardium. The ventricles give rise to two large blood vessels called aorta, aorta, and pulmonary artery जो lungs की तरफ जाती है. The flaps of the cuspid valve are kept in position by chordae tendineae and coronary arteries supply oxygen blood to the walls of the heart. तो pericardium first dash में आएगा, second aorta, third is pulmonary artery, D is chordae tendineae and E is coronary arteries. Now arrange the terms in each group in the correct order. This is part third. In A sequence, आपका starting underlined word cuticle is already given. So after cuticle, it is upper epidermis, then palisade cells, and then spongy cells. In B part, it is stomach, then hepatic portal vein, then liver, and then hepatic vein at the end. C is dendrites, then cyton, then axon endings, then synaptic cleft. In D is high blood sugar, then insulin release, then stimulates glucose uptake from blood, ले लेगा and then lowers blood sugar means fourth आपका end में आ जाएगा. नेक्स्ट इज सेमिनिफेरस ट्यूब्यूल से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, उसके बाद पहले आएगा इफ्रेंट डक्ट, देन एपिडिडाइमस एंड देन एट द एंड स्पर्म डक्ट. Now fourth part, read the explanations and name the structures. So example is already given for seminiferous tubules. Next is a canal through which the testes descend down into the scrotum just before the birth of a male baby, and the answer is inguinal canal. B is the part of the brain that regulates the peristaltic movement of the alimentary canal. This is medulla oblongata. C is a structure that collects the sound waves and conducts them to the external auditory canal. It is ear pinna. The point of attachment of two chromatids of a chromosome. This is centromere. Regulation of the opening and closing of stomata. These are guard cells. Now fifth part, जिसमें आपको structure match करवाना है. A is your pituitary gland. It is with 2. This is secrete tropic hormone. थर्ड आपका फर्स्ट आ रहा है prepares the body to face stress, this is with C, adrenal gland. Then secrete estrogen, this is E, which means ovary. Fourth is maintains blood sugar level, this is D, which are pancreas. Then next is regulate basal metabolism, this is B, which is thyroid. And secrete testosterone, which is F, वो आपको दिया ही हुआ है. तो ये आपको सारे लिखने हैं. 1 के साथ C है, 2 के साथ A, 3 के साथ E का कॉम्बिनेशन है, 4 with D, 5 with B and 6 with F, which is given. So with this section A is end. Thank you for watching till the end. Soon I will give the section B answers also.